We will to parachute all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the goal. We're coming, make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here at the James Black Bowie Heritage Festival in historic Washington, Arkansas. Introduce yourself and let's talk about the knives you brought here to the show today.
Okay, I'm J.R. Cook. I've been a master bladesmith with the American Bladesmith Society in 1991. So I've been around a year or two. I also teach for the University of Arkansas at our school, the James Black School of Bladesmithing, which is located here in Arkansas, in Washington. So we're here at the festival. I think this is our 4th annual festival for this area. And these are the knives that I brought. And I tried to get something that would fit everyone's category. So I have hunters, I have Bowies, I have...
So let's take a look at these ones over here.
Okay.
Because these look like they incorporate a ferro rod.
They do.
And what's inside of the little vials?
So this is... I came up with this thinking of people that were hiking or backpacking into the wilderness. They may have allergies, so they could use this to put allergy medicine in, or they could put fishing line in a hook, whatever their choice. A little carbuncle there, they could snap it onto their harness, or you could simply put it in a fanny pack, however you decide to do it if you're a jogger. And it comes with a little blade and the ferro rod. If you wanted to start a fire you didn't happen to have any matches or lighters, you have it some way of you can create a fire. And it's in a little Kydex sheath, snaps in, it won't come out. If you need some string to tie something together with, you got some paracord here, you can unravel, tie something up, and it's kind of an all-around little survival knife.
Very good.
So
now, let's talk about this.
That is a nice little Bowie. It's a chevron pattern Damascus. I believe it's a 10.5-inch blade, I believe. The handle is a hardwood from Australia. And it's a hardwood burl, so it has a lot of figure in it. The guy bought it, he really didn't know what type of tree other than it was a hardwood. But it has some really nice figure in that wood. All the fittings are 416 stainless, and these I've engraved, and I think there's some 24 karat gold inlay on this particular one. So that's a nice little Bowie.
It is.
I don't know how much a lot of people know about Damascus out there, but there's a lot of different finishes. And I've tried to show a variety. This is a little Nessmuck, and it's also a high layer count Damascus, but it has a completely different finish than the one you just looked at.
And did you do the leather work on these displays?
Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So this one here now has another completely different finish. It has a lot more black left into the background. This has a nice woolly mammoth scale. And I fell in love with the texture of this woolly mammoth. I just couldn't bring myself to grind it off. You know, I could have ground it down and it would have been a kind of a creamy color, but I'd lost all the color and I'd lost all the texture.
It's very eye-catching.
So to get it to the thickness I wanted it, I ground it from the inside, leaving the outer texture. And this is a cool little knife. Integral guard forged into the blade. And Let me show you a sheath for that. This is interesting.
So right now he is over and looking for the sheath for this knife.
It's always the last one you find. You notice that when you're looking for something, it's the last place you look. So typically, it's just a horizontal carry, and you can carry it this way, you can carry it this way, you can carry it left or right, you can carry it in the small of your back. When you first look at it, it's just a standard leather horizontal carry, but can you hear this?
There's kydex
It's
in it.
got a kydex
So
inner
this is
lining.
leather clad.
Leather covered kydex.
Very cool.
So you're not going to lose your knife out of that.
Oh no, it has crazy retention.
So I really like that.
Very cool. And you also have, now where could people get these little kit knives from?
You can go on knifekits.com and order them. There's two models here. This is the Vaquero model, which was, you know, a pretty popular design that I came up with. And then this is my Blue Duck design, and also the same place, knifekits.com. You can get them with or without handle material. So you have handle material of your own you might want to put on them. But they come with all the pins that you'll need. So you just put them together. They're pretty cool. The blades are already heat treated and tempered. So all you have to do is assemble it, finish polishing it, and you're ready to go.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for sharing what you brought to the show today. We greatly appreciate it. How can we get a hold of you?
You can send me an email, JR at jrcookknives.com.
And let me grab one of these here real quick.
And you can get that card. It's got my number on it. You can send me a text, you can call, or you can email.
All right, thank you so much, and have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
And fight we will, and perish all the guns of the foe.